What's up guys, I'm Liam and I am back with another video, and today I've got a video about this phone that my grandmother gave me. And I believe that this is like the thickest flip phone I've ever seen. Well, I believe that. No. I know that this is the thickest flip phone I've ever seen. It is a Samsung SGH T309. I'm not sure what year this is from, but we're going to be doing a short review on it. So yeah, it's a T-Mobile. It's made by T-Mobile. Or not made by T-Mobile, but that's the carrier of this one. Look how thick this is though. Like, that's thick. I'm pretty sure that, hold on. I'm pretty sure that this part alone, just the screen part, is thicker than an iPhone 4. Like, I don't honestly know, but yeah, we're just gonna be doing a short review on this, so let's get started. Boot up logo. Can you like focus onto that? Literally. Right there. Come on. Alright, there. Anyway, I'm actually gonna turn the brightness down so that we could see. Or not. That helped a lot. Alright, so I'm just gonna keep it like this. Anyways, in the settings, time and date, phone settings, display settings, sound settings, network services, security, memory status, reset settings, blah 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 blah. Yeah. Anyways, this phone is not too good of a phone. The front screen is a black and white screen, like I think 60 by 60 or some crap, or 120 by 120 pixel. But the cool thing about it is that you can even use the camera on it, but it looks like crap because of all the pixels. Oh, come on, you were just focused on that, really? Come on. You son of a gun. I sometimes forget that I can't curse on my videos. But yeah. I can't. Alright, anyways. It displays the picture and whatnot of the camera. It's really cool. Let's try and see if you could see it. Alright, look at those pixels, man. Look at those horrible little pixels. This has a I think is a 1.3 megapixel or a 0.3 megapixel, so that's like horrible. But this is, I think, maybe an old phone. I don't know. Could you like seriously focus? This also comes with some games, so I guess I could play some of those real quick. It makes this annoying sound. Yay. I'm gonna play this because I played this and this is actually, I guess, fun. Okay. Let's see. The pixels on this screen are like easily visible. No matter if you have like negative vision or not, like it looks bad. But yeah, it's not a bad game. Actually, it really is. To be honest, it is a bad game. Okay, where'd you go, man? Where'd you go? Where did you go? Oh, why am I getting hit? Where'd you go? I can't really. Alright, whatever. But yeah. Anyways, guys, that, my friends, is the thickest phone I've ever seen. And yeah. Peace out.